Ever stare at your Google Ads account, scratching your head, wondering why all that money you're spending just isn't turning into actual customers? You're not alone. It's a super common problem. But guess what? Most times the fixes are surprisingly simple. First up, let's talk about keywords. This is a big one. Are you using keywords that are too general? Think about it. If you sell running shoes and your keyword is just shoes, you're probably getting clicks from people looking for dress shoes, sandals, you name it. They're just browsing, not buying running shoes. That's wasted money. Get specific. Use exact match and phrase match more often. Instead of shoes, try running shoes for men in exact match. And don't forget negative keywords. If you don't sell used running shoes, add used as a negative keyword to stop those irrelevant clicks. Next, let's look at your actual ads. Are they boring? Do they tell people what you offer and why they should click your ad instead of a competitor's? If your ad copy is just buy shoes, well, everyone's saying that. Make your ads speak directly to your target audience. Highlight benefits, not just features. Instead of great shoes, try boost your speed with our lightweight running shoes or comfortable running shoes for long distance training. Use strong calls to action like shop now or get your free coat. And make sure your ad headlines and descriptions include your main keywords. This helps people know they're in the right place. So, someone clicks your ad. Great. But then what happens? Are they landing on a messy, confusing page? Or worse, your homepage, where they have to hunt around for what they clicked on? If your landing page doesn't match the ad or it's just plain hard to navigate, people will bounce faster than you can say conversion rate. Your landing page must be relevant to your ad. If your ad says buy running shoes, the landing page should be only about running shoes, not your entire shoe store. Make it clean, easy to read, and have a super clear call to action. Is there a big add to cart button? Is the form easy to fill out? Test it yourself. If you're confused, your potential customers will be too. Finally, and this might seem obvious, but are you tracking conversions? If you don't know what's working, how can you fix what's not? You might be getting clicks, but are those clicks turning into sales, leads, or calls? Set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. This tells you exactly when someone completes a valuable action on your website after clicking your ad. Also, link your Google Ads to Google Analytics or GA4. This gives you even more data about what people are doing after they click. Without this info, you're flying blind. So, there you have it. Check your keywords, make your ads compelling, fix your landing pages, and track everything. These aren't magic bullets, but they're the core foundations of successful Google Ads. Take a few minutes, look at your campaigns with a fresh pair of eyes, and start implementing these changes today. You might be surprised how quickly your conversions start to climb up. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy to understand digital marketing tips. See you in the next one.